Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my March favorites. I can't believe it's already the end of March and we're in April, my birthday month. My birthday is April 8th, if you guys are wondering. So if you want to see my favorites for the month of March, then keep watching. So all of my favorites for this month are under $20, so everything is super affordable, which is always good because I know everyone's trying to save some money out there. So let's get into these favorites. First, I have a hand cream that has been saving my life this month, and it is from the brand Brompton and Langley, and mine is in the scent Coconut Milk and Nectarine, and it has 10% shea butter. So I had picked up this cream from my mom a couple of Christmases ago for her stocking stuffer, and she loved it and told me I should go get some because it helped her hands a lot. I picked this up from a store called Harmon. I thought Harmon was like all over the country, but apparently it's not. Harmon, if you don't know what it is it's kind of like CVS without the pharmacy and without like the food section. Like they have some snacks, but that's pretty much it. Like they have hair stuff, they have travel size items I've seen on TV, tons of makeup, hair care, skincare items, and like vitamins and supplements and some medicine, but that's really it. Like there's just no pharmacy area. So I got this in like the travel size thing section because they have like this whole wall of travel size items. So this was one of the things, and this cream has really helped my hands. I mean, this is what my right hand looks like right now. This is the best it's looked in such a long time. It's still dry a little bit like on my fingertips, but other than that, my hands have been feeling amazing. This smells so good. Like I said, this one's Coconut Milk and Nectarine. I also have one in my pocketbook, but I don't remember what scent that one is. And this one just smells like summer. That's why I like it. But this is so good. I'm going to try my best to link it down below. I did go on Amazon to see if they had like a set of these or just sold them individually, but I couldn't really find them. So if there's no link next to this product, I will put like a little message there, but hopefully I can find something. I'll do my research. The next product is a body wash from Aveeno, and this is the Aveeno Skin Relief Gentle Scent Body Wash in Nourishing Coconut. So I've tried Aveeno body washes because I had like little samples, I think from my Walmart beauty boxes. I would get little samples of them, and I really did like them. They have a really nice lather, they feel really nice on the skin, and just like I just feel like they really nourish the skin and like clean it at the same time. So I picked up this one from CVS, and this is as gentle as fragrance free, which is always good to know, and it gently cleanses the skin and leaves itchy dry skin feeling soothed and moisturized. It's dermatologist recommended, and it has some soothing oatmeal in it. So I really do think that this helps with the dry skin because my legs haven't been looking so dry and flaky, and they haven't been as itchy, which is good. My eczema, however, it kind of helps with it. I think it does help soothe it, but I try not to really like use the loofah and scrub there because I feel like that really like flares it up. So this, along with the First Aid Beauty cream, I think that really helps the eczema. But other like eczema aside, this really has helped my dry skin. Next up is a cleansing balm, and if you've been with my channel for a while, you might remember I did a review of a Pond's cleansing balm type thing, and I hated it. So I picked one up from Amazon because I wanted to give one another try. And this is the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm from the brand Vanilla Co. First of all, can we just talk about the packaging? I think the packaging is so pretty. I just love the baby pink. If you're wondering, they have other pretty color packaging, and it was like a periwinkle blue and a pretty green, but those are for different skin concerns. This is just the original because I thought you can't really go wrong with original, and a lot of people said the original one was really good anyway, so that's why I bought it. So this came with a little spatula. I didn't bring that up with me because it's like really gross and dirty, and I just thought like you guys have seen those little spatulas before, but this is what the inside of this looks like. I've been using it a lot. It kind of looks like coconut oil, kind of feels like coconut oil too when you rub it on your face. So I use this every time I wear makeup. If I'm not wearing makeup, I'm not using it. And I just scoop some out with a little spatula. and massage it into the skin, on my eyes, everywhere where there's an ounce of makeup. And then I just take a little bit of water and it kind of just like suds up. It's really weird. And then I take my makeup eraser and just really remove everything. This little guy removes all makeup. Waterproof mascara is gone, eyeliner gone, liquid lipsticks gone, everything. And it doesn't even look like anything's there, except if you use eyeshadows that stain. This isn't gonna like really, you know, remove everything if it's gonna stain the skin, but this is a great cleansing balm and I really do enjoy it. Next is another cleanser, and I am so happy I picked this one up. It's from Amazon as well, and this is from the Face Shop, and it is the Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. So I was looking for a cleanser that will also help hydrate the skin as well, because I feel like some cleansers not really like strip the skin, but just make your dry skin worse. This, I wish someone told me about this years ago, because my skin within a couple days of using it felt so soft. My skin right now has been feeling the best it's ever felt in my whole entire life. Yes, I still have pimples, but it's just been feeling so soft and so smooth and so hydrated. I love it. This kind of looks like Noxzema. If you've ever used Noxzema before, this looks exactly like it. I use it twice a day. It is so good. They have like a whole rice water line, the Face Shop. I didn't buy everything. I just bought this like foaming cleanser, but I highly recommend this if you have dry skin and you're looking for a good cleanser, because this is probably my favorite purchase I've ever made in my whole entire life. It is that good. So next up I have two eyeshadow palettes from Rimmel, and the first one I'm going to talk about is the MAGNIFEYES Spice Edition palette. This palette I was not going to have high hopes for, and the second one I'm going to talk about too, didn't have high hopes for either of them. They are so good for drugstore palettes. They're so affordable. They're under $10. The pigment is insane. Like, they're so pigmented. Let me just swatch a couple of the shadows for you guys in this. I'll do 2 matte shades and then I'll do 2 shimmer shades. Let's do. Okay, so here's a shimmer, pigmented, a matte, pigmented, a shimmer. I mean, that one's like a not so bright color anyway to begin with, and then I mean, they're really pigmented, and I was not expecting it with these. They're so easy to blend. They're amazing, amazing eyeshadows. If you guys see these at CVS or Walmart, that's where I picked up mine. I highly recommend getting them. Got them at Walmart though, because they are cheaper. And then the second Rimmel palette that I've been loving is the MAGNIFEYES Crimson Edition palette. This one too, I did not have high hopes for, but the colors and the pigmentation is just amazing. I'll swatch again 2 shimmers and 2 matte shades for you guys. Oh, the one matte shade, this crimson one does have one shade that gives me like a little bit of an issue, but like it's not that bad. So pigment, this shade right here, it's just like a little crumbly, but once you blend it out, it's really, really pretty. And then matte shade. I mean, my swatches are not good, but these shadows are amazing. If you guys want swatch and review videos of these, let me know in the comments down below. I do have a tutorial with the Spice palette up already, and then one with the Crimson palette is coming. Just stay tuned. And then my last 2 favorites are also from Rimmel, and they are the Stay Satin Liquid Lipsticks. So I do have a total of 5 or 6 of these. 5. I have 5. But these are the 2 that I have been wearing the most, and this one is Shoulder Pads. This one's my ultimate favorite, and then this one is Psych. So let me swatch them for you. They're both like very nudie colors. Shoulder Pads is a more like nudie peachy color on the lips, and then we have Psych, which is like a nudie pinky color, which I absolutely love. Right here, so pretty. These last all day long. If you go to Walmart, they're under $5. They are $4 and change. They're ridiculously cheap. They're just amazing. If you guys want a lip swatch and review video with these Rimmel Stay Satins, let me know in the comments down below. I will gladly do one for you guys, because I have not done like a lip swatch video in a long time. And And that is it for my March favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorites were for the month of March. I love hearing about other people's favorites because it's just always fun to talk about like what everyone's been loving. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.